This is probably the most ridiculous thing that I've ever seen happen with a product before. But I've ordered this multiple times and this has never happened to me. So I am going to post a video about it because I'm irritated. I really like this product. I have enjoyed it for months now, and I have 3 dogs. The other one is somewhere else. And they all love it. They love the way it makes their food taste. They get super excited about it. They really, really like it. But what is this? Are you for real? How do I open this? How do you open this? You want me, and then you want me to put the powder into the container myself? Like, I opened the second one. Let's see. Is this for real? Yup. So I have a 3rd bottle here, and I'm like, never have I had to pour the powder into the... That is absolutely ridiculous to me. I have powders here. I have other powders. All of them are poured into the container, and this product up until this point has been delivered to me in that way, in that fashion. And this is ridiculous. So I do not understand how adding more packaging makes sense. That is so stupid to me. But I hate it. And so if this is how it comes in my next order, I'm going to stop getting it. So I really hope this changes because I hate this.
Come here. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. Ah, yes, what a happy puppy you are. You're such a good girl.